What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Courtside Financial. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos, and also make sure you hit the like button because it really does go a long way in helping out the channel. Today we're going to be talking about Virgin Galactic Stock, SPCE. It is currently the after hours and the stock is trading at $22.32, down about 7%. I was actually waiting until the market closed to do this video because I wanted to listen to the Virgin Galactic earnings call and then make a video on my takeaways. So let's get into the video. So overall, the earnings report was nothing spectacular in my opinion. There were some good things, there were some bad things, but keeping it objective, overall, to me, the sentiment is negative. And this is why the stock fell almost 7% after earnings. So last week, the chief space officer, George Whitesides, did an interview with Bloomberg, and they asked him if they still plan on having their first customer flight by the end of the year. And George actually said that their main priority is to get Richard Branson up into space, and obviously they have to do their 2 test flights and get that FAA approval before they can do that. He also said that he didn't want to say too much about it, but that is one of their priorities right now. So for me as an investor, I took this as it's either going to be a hit or miss on earnings, depending on what they say about the timeline and the development of the business. So fast forward to today, we finally have our earnings call complete. And what they ended up saying is that they will be doing those 2 test flights in the fall. They also said that they plan to send Branson up in early 2021. So the timeline that they gave us before is now outdated. Now, they did say that the Roni situation has pretty much affected their business, and it's pretty much responsible for the delay in making the former timeline. We already expected the company to be burning through millions of dollars of cash. Investors don't really care about that too much because the business model is not yet in complete operation. It won't be in complete operation until they can consistently and safely send customers up into space. So the company burned through $54 million of cash, and that's pretty much around what they did in the last 2 quarters. On a positive note, reservations went from $600 to $700, and to make a reservation, you have to put $1,000 down. Now, something that was not necessarily good is that they plan on selling some shares at an average price of around $22. So that may serve as a resistance level. This isn't really good for bag holders, but my average cost is $15, so that might still be above my average cost. I might end up buying the dips and buying into the dilution and holding on to it, which would actually drag my average cost up a little bit. Today, they also announced that for their hypersonic travel that they would be working with Royce to create a Mach 3 aircraft. This kind of makes sense to me because both of these things are pretty much luxuries, and I think that Royce could help them make the aircraft what it's intended to be. So overall, the earnings call today, not the best. You know, they expected negative 26 cents per share. They actually ended up doing negative 30 cents per share. But a lot of it has to do with the Roni situation setting back their business. If they're able to succeed over the long term, then this won't really make a difference in the future. If this video helped you out in any way, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and leave me a comment down below. I want to know what you guys think about Virgin Galactic's earnings, and thank you for watching.